The product rule for differentiation allows one to differentiate products of functions, much like the name suggests. We'll start by stating the product rule. So, if y is a product of u and v, where u and v are functions of x, then the derivative of y with respect to x is u times dv by dx plus v times du by dx. Let's consider a couple of examples to help us understand the product rule. First of all, suppose we take y is equal to x times sine x, then y is a product of two functions, namely x and sine x. So, if we let u equal x, and we let v equal sine x, then du by dx is equal to 1, and dv by dx is equal to cos x. So, we want to know what dy by dx is, and using the product rule, it's u, which is x, times dv by dx, which is cos x, plus v, which is sine x, times du by dx, which is 1, which we don't need to write down since sine x times 1 is just sine x. So in this example, du by dx is x times cos x plus sine x. So it's really just a case of identifying the two functions in the product, differentiating them, and then plugging what you have into the formula. Example 2 is slightly more complicated. Here, y is equal to x squared times ln x plus e to the x times cos x. So the function y actually involves two terms, each of which is a product of two functions of x. However, we know by the linearity rule that we just need to differentiate each of the two terms and add up the results. That just means we're going to have to apply the product rule to each term in order to differentiate properly. So let's start by labelling each of the four functions involved and computing their respective derivatives. Let's put u equal to x squared, v equal to ln x, let's say w is e to the x, and z is cos x. Then du by dx is 2x, dv by dx is 1 over x, dw by dx is just e to the x again, and dz by dx is negative sine x. So we can now differentiate y using the product rule we stated at the beginning of the video. We'll just have to use it twice. Hence, dy by dx is, applying the product rule to the first term, x squared times 1 over x plus ln x times 2x, plus, applying the product rule to the second term, e to the x times minus sine x plus cos x times e to the x. So we have an answer, but it's important to always finish off by simplifying your answer as much as you can. In this case, x squared times 1 over x is just x, and we can factor an e to the x out of the last two terms. So our final answer is x plus 2x ln x plus e to the x times cos x minus sine x.